everybody. Hello, founders, and congratulations for your amazing work. I have to say thank you. And also, I have to tell you, this is just the beginning. When you have a situation in your life that you think, oh, wow, I did a good job, and then you want to take a rest, forget it. No, 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 no. Now it's time to move forward. Now it's time to work harder, to do more as all the other ones on the planet because the other ones will lose. And that's the difference between a loser and someone who can, do something and is pushing forward and getting successful. The AI agent, we call it agent. Forget the name Butler. Butler does other things. We have more an agent because this agent is a special agent connected with a lot of other agents, and that's the main thing what we want to present out there when they say Voidara is here. Oh, this is a super agent, right? Yes, that's a super agent. And today is only just the beginning of the birth, the beginning of, let's say, hello to the planet. Um, we have a lot of mamas and papas here today, and all of us are a part of it. That's very special and very unique. So you guys, you get the access later in your back office. You saw the countdown, and now we are presenting a little bit. You have the access, and there's a code, and you can get the code connected with your email address. So you can't duplicate this or give it out to someone else. It's just for you guys. So that's what we program it. That's how we program it, that you have the access because you're the first person which can use the system, the whole system. So more and more people coming in. I see right now 280 people here. That's good. What you have to do if you join this meeting, you have to be in with your laptop, with your web overspace, with your web view, because if not, you will not see the bug controller and you can't work with us because on the mobile phone, on the mobile vision, you don't have that. So that's why we said join us with the browser because we need you to help us to help the project to be to be perfect. So it's a normal procedure. If you look to big companies, they use also a lot of groups. They use a lot of people when it comes to like, okay, let's test it. It's a different situation when you have like a new software or something and you got maybe 10 people on it or 20 or 200 or 300. So in the background, what we do is we read all those things which are happened when we use the app, when we use the Voidata app, meaning like the server, the stability, then also the different movements, what people are doing. So there are many, many things what we are controlling. And one part is very helpful for us. It's the bug controller. So you will find it later on the right side and you open up the app when you get the access. And there you can report it, all those things which you see. And that what we do with this is like we will connect this one also again, the whole data with the AI and read it. So that means out of this, we can optimize the system. What we do now in the beginning is we make some tests. We have some functions ready. We will show it also to you what is possible. And then we work on the knowledge. Because, when you have a new baby on the planet, the baby has some instincts, yeah, but the baby knows nothing. And what we do is step by step, we grow up our baby and make it more intelligent and better and faster. But to let you know, guys, this baby is very, very fast. You will see that faster than any other AI system what I saw. The reaction time how fast you get an answer. And then we have to work on the quality of answers. So there are many, many things what we need to adjust to that. Because let's say you want to make a research of, from the customer of like Nike Air sport shoes, and this customer is searching for that or looking for that, but the agent didn't research maybe a post on Facebook from him or from her or on Instagram that he said, oh no, these Nike sport shoes are not good. So that means you have to dig deeper and deeper if you want to have the best knowledge of everything to perform. That the agent knows exactly what the customer wants. This is just an example. So, and there are many, many different ways to do that. And the thing is to get the best systems, the best technique to make that happen. Okay. Um, Also, when you have like communication, that you can use this, like, okay, I have a communication and I can storage this for me, and I have the access to the history. So that means the customer here has always the access to the data, because sometimes maybe there's something like very, very intimate, and you don't want that this stays in the net, so you can delete it later on. Um, it's also a very important thing. But just to give you some ideas, and we want to help you also to show you now and work with us together. These That's why I will introduce you my right hand right now. This is Dominic. So, and Dominic, he is taking over right now, and he will share his screen, and he will show you first time in history our AI system, and he will explain what we can do, how we have to use it, and also how we have to communicate. So, but step by step, relax, take a piece of paper, take a pen, always, guys, that's the most important thing. Make some notes, listen, check it, and later on, of course, you have your own access to your own AI, as we promised today, and this will happen, and this is all organized and prepared. Now we have 317 people here. Great. Okay, so Dominic, please go over and share your screen, and I'm with you here also.
Yes, hello everyone. My name is Dominic. Thank you, Dennis, very much for the introducing. Yeah, so I will take you through the beta and show you the features that we have, also how you can activate this. Yeah, so I will share my screen now and show you everything, how it's work, and we will do also some examples. Give me thumbs up if you can see my screen. Perfect. So after we activate you for the beta agent, you will get here your access code. So this is the activation code. You have to copy this, then open the Voidara app. Then you go to sign up. Put your activation code here and the email. Choose password for you, agent. And so, oops. So I had some spaces here. So after this, you can log in with your email address and the password you created. Yes, and then we are on the beta with data app. The first thing you have to do is accept our private policy. This is just like quick stuff where we tell you we don't use your data to train our models and stuff. Just accept it, and then yeah, you see the with data app. The first thing you have to take care of is this feedback and bug report. So we want you to report us every bug that you can find. Maybe if something didn't work, you get some errors or something, please describe it here so we can fix the bugs and give you the best experience we can.
Yeah, one sec. This is very important for us. I know, Dominic, you're always fast, but guys, this is one of the most important things why we do this beta version right now, because we need the feedback. You guys, you have to go on it. If I see here 336 people, we need 336 reports. No matter what you do, it doesn't matter what you feel, what you think, what you feedback. As more we have, as better we can create the system what we are doing. So it's a project of all us together. Please do this later and give us this feedback, because we will investigate it and we will put it also in the AI to make this business what we are doing much more better. It's a creation of all of us. Okay, maybe you go down,
Exactly.
explain a little bit what is necessary to get to do there instead of like too fast bug report. So, just give us the information. For example, the agent crashed. So it's possible, can be possible because your internet connection is not good or whatever. So, but we will investigate it. Or slow loading times. So, in some areas it's very fast, in some areas when the internet connection is not good, it takes time. But we want to see the statistic. We want to see exactly, okay, what has happened. Maybe it's hanging, freezing. Why is hanging and freezing in the future? And we have to check it. So very, very carefully, think twice, check it, and give us this information. Login problems is also, it's possible. Maybe mostly humans make something wrong, but sometimes there's maybe a bug or technical stuff, whatever. So we have to investigate this, right? Also, display errors, whatever. And you can describe also if you have a problem here. So what device do you use? This makes us, for us, much more easier to say, oh, this guy or this person use a mobile version and has a problem, but we never had problem with the desktop, for example, a desktop version, for example. Okay, if they have a problem, maybe have Android, Apple, or Windows or Linux. So we know that, we can see that exactly, guys. This is very, very important for us. That's why we do that. Okay, what browser did you use when experiencing the issue? Was it Chrome, Safari, Firefox, something else, other ones? This is a very important feedback for us to see how the app is working. Okay, do you have any additional comments? You can put also your notes there. And then the next page is, what was that? Are you
Yeah,
satisfied?
the
Yeah.
feedback. Yeah.
The feedback, exactly. So, this is something I think this most important most important part to do that before we can say, okay, now we put this connection on it. Now we put this connection on it. Now we put another agent on it. Now we put this database on it. Now we make this feature on. This is the first thing what we have to do. That's why we do this today here. Okay, we have 3 weeks, and in the 3 weeks, I wanna you guys awake, concentrate on this product, on this idea. Because if we do this, I believe in the collective thinking on one thing. It's a universe reaction. So law of attraction. You know that if you are focused on something, things are happen. So this is the power of people when we go all together on one thing. So there we are army right. We are army right now on 400 on 345 people, an army. So, and who can stop us? Nobody. You know, good. That's a very important part. And then we can come up with much more add-ons, what we have ready, but we don't bring it in like now, bam, we do it like next week, next week, next week, next week. So you see, Void data is growing, growing, growing. Is getting better, 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 better. Okay. Before she go out to the end consumer, 1st of September. Okay, that's why we have to be very, very aware on this. And I want to have, a very great success when it comes to the first customers, first orders, and all those things. But let's continue. Sorry, Dominic, this was very important for me to make it
Yes.
clear what we want. Okay.
Okay. Thank you very much. So yeah, I will show you some functions. I will test some chats with the Voidara now. So we will start like very easy. We tell him, hey, Voidara. So then we get the answer really quick. We can also read this message loud if we press here with a nice.
It's great to hear from you. How can I assist you today?
Okay, so I will take Voidara now. I am in Mallorca right now. Can you tell me about the weather here? So if you see, it's really quick, really quick. Yeah. So, okay, can you recommend me some activities here? Yes. For example, we got some activities. Okay, can you also show some here?
So we can do this in any language, right?
Yes, exactly. I can see, can you explain it in German, for example? So,
You see, guys, you see how fast that is, like bam. So you end the last word typing in and bam, the answer is there. It's very, very fast.
yes, exactly. So this is like the just simple things that we have. Now we go on to the, for example, I want to buy new shoes, white Nike Air. Can you give me some offers for sales with
The reason why we write it right now is like because this is a beta version. To speak with Voidara, I think will be happened in 2 weeks. So then you can communicate and you speak with her. But we have to make this test before. And then of course, when she's answering, she bring you to something what she think what is good for you. Now we have some examples. And now the affiliate partners are not connected, but they will come. So, and then you see just, okay, that's what I found. That's what you got. You make your order. But you can show it right now. Okay.
Yes, exactly. For example, she told us he found some offers for white Nike Air shoes. Now I can press on the link. I will be redirected to the direct to the Nike, and I see here some offers from Nike, Nike Airs, or with the offers, for example. Yes. So for now, I will show you like another nice feature. I have here an image from the food that I cooked today. Okay.
Okay, there's an error.
One second.
Test in the test version, and before it was working perfectly, but now. Also he did what he did. He made a photo from his food and put it in the system. And now he asks, what is this? Okay.
Picture.
Looks healthy.
Yes. So now we get like answer what we see on this picture, like every part of this. And now, for example, I want tell me oh, yeah. So maybe Dennis, you can explain what I'm doing. It's better maybe because I'm
Yeah,
too
yeah, yeah,
focused
yeah.
on the
So
test.
now what you want to know is like he wants to know, okay, what kind of calories I have. So and this system is checking in details what they saw, a half avocado. So it's very, very clear. So broccoli, a small portion. And now it's calculating how much calories you have each from each vegetables here, and then later on how much you have in total. So, and you can create also, let's say, with the picture recipes, or I want to create something like a similar salad, healthy food, whatever. So, and the system will do that. It's just like a feature to read pictures. You can read any pictures, and the system will understand what is on the picture, and I can explain it, and I can find it also. Maybe, for example, later on, if you go shopping and you make a photo from a Gucci bag somewhere, and the system knows exactly this is the Gucci bag, this is the name of the Gucci bag, this is the price normally from the Gucci bag. I can find this Gucci bag now for this price here. Click here, and then you went and end up maybe on Fartech or whatever, like a business partner, like a partner program from us, and you can get the bag there and buy it there much more cheaper. So this is also something like using photos, but you can do this in many, many different ways. What we did before, also with real estates, for example, Dominic.
Yes, for example, real estate or website creation. I took a screenshot from our back office from the countdown timer that we saw before.
Yeah.
Got some issues here with the upload. I don't know why.
Okay. We have also our technic guys here today, guys. You make a note, check that, and I don't want to see this again. Because we tested before and tested and tested, and that was everything was good, and now we have, it's always the same thing. The Vorführeffekt in German.
Yes. So yeah, this is a screenshot from our back office I did before, and I want Vedara to explain me exactly what he sees on this picture. And now I am telling her.
So she's
HTML.
investigating everything what she saw. You can do it with any pictures, like you see like a PowerPoint presentation, or you see like something and you wanna create like a website or like a sales funnel or like a pitch deck, whatever. And the system can do this for you, and he will explain how this works.
Yes, and for now I want the
Sorry. Ask for the question. Look to the question. Create a similar HTML, HTML code from this picture, please, with Tailwind, CAS, and modern design. Okay. Can you explain that? Why you use that? Because many people don't know what you say. What you
yes,
write.
this is just like I want Vedara to create me like a website from this image.
Okay, you can do it also with other words, but let's say, and this is something like a prompt. You give an order, and this is something what we will do for you guys, that you learn how I can communicate in a better way with my agent, with the AI. Because if you do it in the right way, you get much more better results. So, and we make it happen that you know that we train you with this.
Yes, so we have now the output of the website. I can test it.
Let them know what they see now. They have now a code, right?
Yes, you got now the code from the okay. I created now HTML code, so like a small website from this screenshot I did before. And now when I copy this and open it in like HTML file, like a website code file, I can see this is the copy just from the image.
Okay.
Yes, and this is like full functionality. It's HTML code with CSS and everything. So it's really nice. I saw some people were asking about, yeah, I need my agent very quick for my HTML or my CSS code, so like for programming their website. And this is something that will help you in a really good way.
Okay, can we see it how it looks like, for example, then?
Yeah,
Like,
this is the code.
okay, so that means he built it like you want it.
Exactly. From the screenshot that we see here, not the same colors and stuff. what he did like really quick copy from this screenshot into code, and from this code, it's generating the whole website.
That's the code. So the system can read the code and can copy that and but you can do it with anything. You see something and you like it, you can copy that, but you can change it also. For example, give me other color, give me other design.
Exactly.
Can we try this also?
Yes. Make it please in green more. So
Good. There's a lot of data normally what it's creating right now, and you see how fast it goes. So this is like designing, web designing, you don't need any more like web designers on the planet. It's all possible with the AI. They have no job anymore. They can go home. You see what I mean? So, and you can do it with anything, any picture. You can do it with real estates. You can do it with your own products. For example, you see something, you like it, you take the photo, you get your HTML code, and then you start to design. Everybody can do this. The whole companies, what they do normally with this, they charge a lot of money. Say, like, hey, we build you something. I make a website. Website designers, go home, guys. We don't need you anymore. And also, like all the promotion companies, they charge a lot of money. I paid so much money in my life for things like that, or create me a video, create me this. So I paid so much money. They can go home. We don't need them anymore. We do it. You do it. You learn that, and you can do it on your own. You can modify your business. You can create everything. So cool, so easy. Okay.
okay, maybe let's check learning languages. We can do this also.
Hmm.
For example, I want to learn Spanish. Yeah, she will ask me about some questions. So I'm back now. Please give me. Please.
Please give me some example for conservations, he said. So, and then she said, okay, here are some normal, easy examples.
Yes, we can also read it. We can let the moderator read it for us, so we know exactly how we have to speak it out and everything. So what we want, we have also some prompts that we can give you like as ideas what you can use. For example, yeah, let me check this one. For example, show me the current gas prices in London and the links to the cheapest stations.
Great choice to start as a beginner.
Oh.
Here are some simple Spanish conversation examples. Great choice to start as a beginner. Here are some simple Spanish conversation examples to get you going with basic greetings and introductions.
Okay.
Conversation 1. Meeting someone new. English. Hi, how are you? I'm good, thanks. And you? I'm fine, too. What's your name? My name is Ana. And yours? I'm Carlos. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, too. Spanish. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Estoy bien, gracias. ¿Y tú? También estoy bien. ¿Cómo te llamas? Me llamo Ana. ¿Y tú? Me llamo Carlos. Mucho gusto. Igualmente.
Yes, so this was just the example. Yeah, so here is the next question that we told her. Show me the current gas prices in London and links to the cheapest stations. So we have the information about the gas prices in London, also with the petrol prices here from live research. So find healthy 50-minute recipes for busy professionals with link to recipe sites. So we have YouTube videos for 15-minute healthy meals, jar of lemons, and some other recipes that we can watch directly. When I click here, I go directly to this video.
Wenn Sie 2000
Okay.
Euro haben,
Advertising. So, okay. What we have, yeah, Dennis, do you have an idea what we can ask, what we can show more the people? Maybe you have some more better idea, or we can show them. You have also the possibility to store the whole conversation as a bookmark. For example, food. I can save it. And I have here now my categories for all my conversation.
This is later interesting if you have a company and you want to organize your company with the AI. Maybe you can explain that, what they can do later, not now, but this is something what is very important.
Yes, for now, this is just like to organize your chats. So you can store the chats in different bookmarks. So you have easy access to this. For example, I want just see the conversation from test, or I want just see the conversation from food, or maybe from your company name or something. So you have a quicker access to this. And in the next updates, we will have the possibility to upload also your files from your company. So like creating your own knowledge base here. So when you start a new chat, you have your knowledge base of your company, and you can ask them every question, and he will always use the knowledge base to give you the answers, to create new emails, create maybe some landing page for you, and stuff like this. Another nice feature that we have here is this icon here. This is the temporary chat. When you press this icon, you see the chat is going in different color. This means this conversation will be not stored in your history. So this is maybe if you want to upload some personal data that you want to have in your account here in your app, you can make this private chat. And after you end this chat, is gone forever.
That's
So
very
it will
good,
be-
because sometimes, of course, we have questions and it's private, so in team, whatever, and we don't want that someone else knows that. So this is not storage. And if it's storage later on, right, Dominic, you can also delete it.
Yes, exactly. You have here the settings. You have here the data control, and you can delete everything what is on your account here. So cache, you can delete all chats with just one button. And you can also delete every single chat from here, and it's gone forever. So it will be not stored there, not even in your own account.
This would be a big thing, because you saw what happened with ChatGPT. They had a big data leak, for example, and many private information, in-team information, went somewhere. So this is not possible here because we are in our own ecosystem. This data doesn't go out. So, and you guys or all the customers have the access to the data, and they can delete it or whatever they want to do.
Exactly. So we have also like a couple of settings here. You can like change the language. For example, I want to be in German. You see everything change in the same second when you change this. You can make it light, dark, what you prefer. For the chat, you can select some options. For example, you want the text to be bigger. So I go there, settings, extra large. Yes. Account, you can upload your profile picture, enable 2FA. Some just for some personal data what you prefer. This is just like for you. Yes. So I think this is good. I will show you also one image. How the best way to communicate with the AI, because it's not always easy. There are like 5 parts you have to do. Tell the AI what his role. So for example, you are a helpful assistant. Write me a short story about friendly robot. Then the context. The robot is a futuristic city. Then the format. Organize the story into paragraphs and then make it engaging and fun. So when you always try to explain your needs, you will get better answers. Because when you write just I need help, he don't know what do you need. So always try to explain yeah, really good what do you want from Voidara.
Yeah, that's sorry to interrupt you for a second,
Yes.
because this is also one of the most important parts for all of us, that we learn how to communicate with the AI. So, and what the company will do, we will hire, we are on it right now, like AI trainers. There are many, many good people in the market, and we will do webinars with these guys. So that means we want you that you don't say, okay, I'm in a new MLM company. No, we want more that you can say, I have a new life, I have a new business, I have a new job, whatever, because I'm a AI specialist. So, and this gives you a lot of access to many, many other things in your life, um, to make the life more easier, to get better results, or you're running your own company and you can optimize your own company, or you can explain void data much more better, because it's very important for us that we have a very good trained distribution organization, that people knows what they're talking about. So, and it's a big difference how to speak with the AI. When you do this in the wrong way, you get not the right results. So, and we will make an academy. This is one academy. What we're creating is a prompt academy, and in the prompt academy, you get like ideas. So because you sit there and think, oh, what can I do? What can I do? So you need something to activate your, your subconscious, your brain, that you think, wow, that's interesting. I can do that. Okay, I didn't know that. So I see every day something when people tell me, the specialists here, what is possible. I say, really, this is also possible. So that's one thing what we want to do, that you get, ideas how to use this system much more better for you, and also to get a knowledge. That's why we buy trainers, and they will train us. They will explain us on webinars in different languages, how I have to use the AI, or how I can create now a website, or how I build a unique uh, powerful sales funnel for my business. So this is how you communicate, how you create your prompt. Yeah, that's for me, I think one of the most important things. It's the same situation if you have a brand new Ferrari and you have no idea how to drive this Ferrari. So you have to understand how to have to push a button, how you have to, make power or brake or whatever. So that's something like what we have to learn, and it's very good. I think because you can impress people with this. If you show that on an app later on before data, hey, I show you, I make in 2 minutes a website, blah blah blah. For data, make me das, bam bam bam, boom, ready. Everybody want to join you. Everybody wants to come into business if you are professional and if you can show something what the people don't know. So that's I think for recruiting people, to catch people, to motivate people, it's insane, guys. It's insane. So that's what we want to do, and I think it's a very important part to train all of us. Me also, I learn every day much more. Sorry, Dominic, that was for me very important.
Yes, all good. So I think it's good that the people will start then and make its own experience, because they have like maybe some other stuff that they want to ask the AI. So I would say I give the words back to you, Dennis, and in the meantime you will give me the go, and I will start the release of the keys for the users, so everyone can log in and test everything by himself.
Yeah,
Yes.
that's cool. Thank you so much, Dominic, for that. Uh, um, I think we can start with the release in the next 5 or 10 minutes, and then everybody has the access and get their own access to the Voidata app. And I want to let you know what's coming up next. So there will be things on the way. It's already programmed, but we have to connect it and we have to make some tests. We have to run some tests that you can organize like bookings with a calendar. So that you can organize your life much more better, that you know exactly when is what necessary. So that means we will connect this with a Google Calendar, and you can get your informations there, and also you get a reminder or so that you don't forget something. So this is one thing. And the one of these most important agents is of course the affiliate agent. This will come before end of this month, but before we want to connect also the system with other agents. Let's say like a social media agent. It's like a database, but we call it like an agent because if you don't have this connection to this social media agent, you don't know exactly what is going on. And this agent is specialized just on social media, and this is just a connection. So we add on this agent to do that, or like a nutrition agent or a doctor agent or whatever, or like a trainer, like a trainer, whatever, forever. It's something like it's always like a connection what we add on. So, and that's why we say, okay, each week, each 2 weeks, um, the agent is getting more intelligent and knows much more. Also, the research is going more deeper, like to investigate not only the surface, investigating much more deeper, or start to communicate with other agents to find the right answer for my master, for the customer. So these are things which are coming very, very soon. And I think in the next 7 days, we have the next update. So for now, I would say, guys, go on the app, play around, do things. Don't forget our bug controller. That's very important for us. Write reports. So, and we will work day and night to make the things happen and to optimize our system. And then I think we will have a lot of cool stories, because I'm pretty sure when 300 people now go on this app solution on Voidata, that you create also ideas, and we can add it on these ideas, and we can, optimize it, or we can learn from you guys because you found this idea, or we can do this and that. So to help other people, to help other businesses, and to make our life much more easier and to make money. The most important part, of course, for me is that we can connect to the affiliate agents. So we have already right now 360 companies. So that means we are working with 360 companies behind millions of products. And it's just the beginning. What we do right now is like we go more direct to companies. And if we grow faster and faster and faster, so we will get much more better commissions and contracts. Right now, it's like, okay, who is Voidata? We are nothing. So right now, but let's come back in 2 months, in 3 months, in 4 months, maybe end of the year. My goal is until end of the year to have 1 million customers. So we need 10,000 people with a package of 500 means 100 agents. 10,000 times 100 agents is 1 million. That means we have 1 million agents in the market. Then in this moment, we have a different story. Big companies will come to us and will ask, okay, can we join your community? Can we be a part of your business? We are a bank, we are Mercedes, we are whatever. So we are dealing with real estates, or we are insurance company, or we selling gold or whatever. It doesn't matter. So, and then we can say, okay, good, of course you can, but we want these conditions. We want these commissions for our people, because I'm, believe me, what I see is always the same thing. When we can make it happen, that we can satisfy our customer, that the customer is in love with Voidata. They like each other because she will do everything, and she's for free. So That means there's a relation. They will not give our data away, and we take care of the online purchasing completely. This is the goal. Then we have only one number, which is very important for us, for all of us. How much money my agent makes in a month for me, for you, and for your organization. Because don't forget, you get paid directly on your army. If you have 100 agents out there and they make each like 4 euros, 5 euros, 6 euros a month, you make a fortune, passive income forever. And it costs you almost nothing, like 99. But this is very easy to refund this money. So that's the main thing, and we will make it happen. But it's not possible to do tomorrow. It's impossible because we need better deals. Like Donald Trump, we need better deals. It takes a while. So we will make it happen because after 1 million customers, we can be very arrogant and people coming to us. So, and we have also now a new section in our company, just focus on making deals with companies, telling them the future, what we want to do. So we are new. We are not like all the others affiliate companies which are promoting websites. No, we have an agent. The agent sleeps day by day together with the customer in the same bed next to it on the phone. There's our agent. So, and we get data. We have informations from the customer like never before. No company on the planet was so close to a customer as we are and as we will be with our system. So I'm pretty sure it's a matter of time, it's a matter of money, and of course of good tech people and programmers. So the vision is there, the idea is there, and now after like just 3 months on the market, sorry, 3 weeks on the market, we have these amazing results. We have 15,000 registrations. We have 925 founders. So they have the access right now to the Voidata app. And all of us are focused on one thing, on one business. So there's no way out. This is no other chance that we have to get great. It's impossible or not. We can't fail. So there's enough money. There's enough, intelligent people on the board. We have a cool team, and so we go forward. We have to tell the story, and right now we have to work 2 times harder as the last 3 weeks. Start to bring people in the business. Tell them the story. Now we have to show something. Now we will give you a lot of tips and ideas how you can use Voidata. Many people was waiting for that because they said, Naya, maybe they make only blah, 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 like many other companies. Now we perform. We perform and we are on time and we make all those things happen. So, and now you can use it and you can go back to all the other people and say, hey, look, the app is here. Sign now. Okay, bring them in. Push volume. Push your organization. Build up your teams right now. Train them. Work with them. The company will help also a lot. We'll get good people, good trainers on board. They will train you. They will show you how to use the AI technology. And we will modify it every day, every minute, our AI system. And every week, we will come up with an update and you will see, wow, now they do this, boom, now they do that. So we are on the whole time with something on the way, which is like giving us always like a kick. It's not like, oh, now we have a nutrition, super. We have some like positive testimonials. You're super. How boring is this? No, we create something, a game changer. We create something together and we can say, wow, now we have this, boom, now we have this, now this is coming in. So this is crazy. It's a big journey. And you know what? This journey never ends. This journey never ends. Voidata will be never ready. Never. Because the world, the knowledge, and all these ideas which are coming up right now is so huge, it's so big. Yeah. We are there. We are on focus. And I'm very proud to do this business with you guys. I want to say thank you again to all of you guys, and we will translate this in many languages that you can come back and say, okay, cool. I got it now in German or Italian, whatever. Okay. So thank you again, Dominic. Let me know if we can open up now that everybody can go to the back office and get the access to the AI one way or the other.
Yes, the agents are released. So when you go to your back office on the right side, on the left side in your back office, you will sell agents. And when you click on it, you will be able to see your access code and you can start with register.
All right, cool. Guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much to my technique guys. They are also here on the call right now. And all the other people which are in the business, the corporate team, thank you so much for your trust and for your help and for everything. But once again, now we have to work. Now we have to start to work. Okay, guys, thank you so much. We see you. I see you. And let's go forward. Let's make action. All right. Have a good one. Don't sleep. And if you sleep, sleep faster.